Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. In this video, we are going to talk about NEET PG exam postponement, Supreme Court PIL hearing, and refund of the security deposit which you paid in the last year counseling. Okay, so before we start, you can subscribe this channel if you are new, and you can contact us on 9319128677. And you can join our Telegram group, okay, which is very useful platform for all the updates and information. You can follow us on Twitter and Instagram. Okay, so you can see on the screen, this is one of the PIL. There are two PIL filed in the Supreme Court. For one PIL there is a number of diary 6930, and the date for the hearing is not finalized date. Okay, but we are expecting the date will be falling for the hearing in this week itself, because we are not left out with so much of time for the NEET PG exam. So the order which came from Telangana High Court. Okay, so the representation is submitted to NMC government, okay, in Delhi, and now it is up to NMC what decision they give. Say they have given decision already that they don't want to postpone the counseling, so they don't want to postpone the exam. Okay, and it was very clear statement from ministry, and NMC is kind of like very adamant institution. Once they take decision, they are stick to it. And we have seen since NMC came into picture, they never managed to deviate from their statement or whatever the schedule they are fixed with. Okay, now coming to Supreme Court, the case when it goes into Supreme Court, the judges who are like having past experience about the PIL in the NEET PG examination, counseling, postponement, they will hear the matter again. And it is possible that the moment they hear about the postponement request coming once again from the candidates, okay, they'll think there is no COVID, so what is the reason of postponement now, and the case might be dismissed straight away. Okay, in case they like to hear it and they take interest, then this matter that in High Court the NMC has accepted that there is a mistake from their side in the point, because the eligibility date was extended after a month of time, and those candidates who were preparing when the examination tentative date was scheduled, they started the preparation, and once the notification came that the eligibility date is 31st of March, they knew that they are not eligible, and government extended it up to 11th of August. So it took more than a month. So their one month time got wasted in the process, knowing that they are still eligible. First they knew that they are not eligible, okay, and after 1 month they knew again that they are eligible. So their 1 month time got wasted by the fault of government and NMC. Okay, so it's a violation of right to equality, that all the candidates should be given equal amount of time. Okay, so this point can be put up in Supreme Court, and this is the only point which will favor you. If you are asking that there is so much of gap between the counseling and the result date, examination date, and you need more time to prepare, Supreme Court won't hear it, because they will ask government that you have scheduled the examination and you want to take the examination on the same day, there is no problem. But the only matter which will be favoring the petitioners is that the right of equality got violated, and it was accepted by NMC in the High Court, and the same thing will be framed there in Supreme Court. And if Supreme Court thinks is right and is right to take the decision of postponement just to cope up or like give the more time for them to prepare, or it will be like difficult to postpone the national level exam just to give more time for the candidate to prepare, who knew that they are not eligible, and after 1 month they knew that they are eligible once again. So just to cover up their loss of 1 month time, can the NEET PG exam be postponed? So it should be the decision of Supreme Court. But we have to see like how much interest the Supreme Court judges uh, shows in this matter, because if you see the history, the decision came in the favor of government, NMC. Okay, they can't punish the government because there is no person. Okay, but they can definitely scold them, and they can give the warning that next time you should be careful. The same warning was given by the High Court in the hearing. But ultimately it's not about like warning or something. The decision, if it comes in the favor of candidates, then only is done. Otherwise same decision as the last year. They are not taking interest in such things. We have heard the statement from Supreme Court that there are different bodies to handle all these things. If we are doing all the deeper decision is taken by the Supreme Court, then what is the role of NMC and government ministry? Okay, so the time will tell what happens, and the last hope that we can get some thing in Supreme Court. After that there is nothing, and no much time will be left out. So focus on your preparation, and let's see what happens in Supreme Court. Everything is done, and we have big group also, but let's see what happens on that day. One thing is very clear: if Supreme Court is inclined to give the decision in the favor of candidates or the petitioners, they will not give the decision in one hearing. They will ask the statement or the answer from government or NMC for all the questions that was asked by the petitioners, and they will hear multiple times. But if they are giving decision in first go, then definitely it will be in the favor of government, and there is no PP. So that's all from my side. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.